Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Jacob Wilson and I'm on the Vitamin Shoppe Wellness Council. Today we're actually going to be talking about caffeine for fat loss, right? That's a very interesting topic. In our previous discussion we talked about how caffeine works for performance because it also enhances fat metabolism, and that's a really interesting topic, right? So what studies do show is that caffeine can elevate metabolic rate, and it seems that basically people who have caffeine versus not can lose more fat during a 4-week fat loss protocol or 4-week fat loss diet, right? But interestingly enough, studies show that caffeine doesn't seem to help as much when you're taking it for like 12 or 18 weeks. Why is that the case? Well, basically your body gets used to it and it doesn't work as well. So for fat loss, you want to cycle your caffeine, right? Maybe take it for 2 to 4 weeks on and then take two weeks off and then go back on it for long-term fat loss. Also, studies show that when you come off of a fat loss diet, that taking caffeine keeps your metabolism up and you don't rebound as much fat. So another way you can use caffeine is when you're dieting, use it for the last 2 weeks of the diet and maybe the first 2 to 3 weeks. When you come out of a diet, when you're raising your calories back up to maintenance, you won't gain as much fat. So again, guys, 200, 400 milligrams of caffeine could be beneficial for a fat loss diet. Make sure you're cycling off of it every 4 weeks, or maybe just using it on your most intense training sessions. And again, don't use it for too long periods of time. Thank you so much, guys. I'll see you next time.